This is 6682 East 35th. You can see very nice home. It has a flat tile roof, 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 8-foot tall front door. Gives it a nice appearance in the front also. Plantation shutters in the living room and tile floors. Bar between the kitchen and the living room space. Beautiful large kitchen, set up country style with in-kitchen dining right back here. Good size space, lots of countertops, all granite. Nice pull-out shelves in the pantry. Gives you easy full access to everything in there without having to dig around. Very nice high quality wood plantation shutters with the 5.5-inch slats, all in painted white. Perfect backyard, super low maintenance, hibiscus, Texas sage, and that beautiful green is actually synthetic grass. There's a nice flagstone path that goes over onto this side. And back there you can catch a glimpse of the tankless hot water heater. It is a gas tankless hot water heater. There is also a lemon and a lime tree over here. Rosemary bush over there also. Some lantana, just nice low maintenance simple plants. Beautiful master bedroom, really nice size. That is a king bed and goes into the master bath here. I really like the shades that they did for these windows. These are 8-foot tall windows and they're generally more difficult to find really nice quality shades for, and these are beautiful. Same ones that are in the kitchen area as well for that slider. In the master bathroom, there are 2 large walk-in closets. This one here, double sinks, step-in shower, separate water closet toilet area here with its own door, and then a second walk-in closet here. And of course, the bathroom does close off completely to the master bedroom. Nice wide doors. Beautifully done. And of course the nice plantation shutters in the master as well on the window. Okay, then we'll join up and see the other 2 bedrooms in the laundry room. This is a very nice laundry room. There are uppers above the washer and dryer space on this side. And on the opposite side you have a full counter, cabinets underneath, and uppers up above as well. Plenty of little decorative shelves. The garage is a 2-car garage with ample storage in it. And there is the solar panel set up right there. It is a prepaid leased solar system, so there's no cost at all to the buyer. Wide hallway, and there's also additional storage in here. Beautiful cabinets. And there's a coat closet there for vacuum cleaner. Guest bathroom and bedroom 3. And this is bedroom 2. You can see it's a very good size bedroom. Now this one does not have a closet in it. It is possible to have it added, but instead it would be a perfect spot for a desk or anything else. It is all tiled in here, so it would make a great office. It does have the French doors in that room also. Nice guest bathroom. And then a very large guest room as well. Good size. This is a queen size bed, I believe. Full walk-in closet there. And the final glimpse of the beautiful granite and the average annual